Nato may ba kasi gatapot pa di kuan internet. At least dire-diretso na.
Ito mo ka pa rin.
Ano?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and pleasant afternoon to all of you. Here's the mechanics of Bangsamoro Gawad Parangal 2024. The objective for Bangsamoro Gawad Parangal to recognize and reward the accomplishment and importance contribution of the learners, student leaders, teacher advisors, school head, and Division YFD YESO coordinators in PAR. To promote excellence, innovation, inclusivity, and moral governance in PAR region. The categories of Bangsamoro Gawad Parangal 2024, there are 5 components for the categories of Gawad Parangal. The first component is the Student Government Awards on elementary and secondary level. We have the Supreme Elementary Learning Government and the Supreme Secondary Learning Government Best Implementer for Macajos. And for Best Implementer Makakalikasan, Best Implementer Makatao, Best Implementer Makabansa. And of course, we have the Outstanding Student Leader for SSLG and CELG, and Outstanding Teacher Advisor for CELG, SSLG for elementary and secondary level. So the second component for the categories of award is the Green Awards, or the Youth Environment in School Organization, or YESO, for elementary and secondary level. So we have Outstanding YESO Implementer, YESO Outstanding Student Leader, and Outstanding YESO Teacher Advisor. Next, we have the Barkada Contra Droga, or BTD. It is applicable only for the secondary level. So we have Best BTD Implementer, Outstanding BTD Student Leader, and Outstanding BTD Teacher Advisor. And of course, we have the School Head Awards for elementary and secondary level. School Head Recognition Awards for secondary, and School Head Recognition Award for elementary level. And lastly, we have the Youth Coordinator Awards. We have two Youth Coordinators Awards in the division, which is the Youth Coordination Coordinator and then the YESO Coordinator. Next is the eligibility criteria for the categories. For the Outstanding Program Implementer, must have successfully implemented a program benefiting learners and the community in PAR. For the Outstanding Student Leader, must be an active leader in school organizations or community initiatives. For the Outstanding Teacher Advisor, must demonstrate exceptions, guidance, and mentorship in youth-related activities. And for the screening process for our Gawad Parangal 2024, the regional office shall conduct another round of paper screening and evaluation of submitted documents from the division office. And all documents will be evaluated by the regional committee, search committee, using the same criteria given by the regional office. And the division finalist, or the documents submitted by the division, shall be evaluated by the regional screening committee using the criteria. The score gained during the division level screening will be back to 0. The regional committee shall select the champion, first placer, second placer, and third placer for each category. However, after careful deliberation, the screening committee determined that the specified criteria. The regional committee will review all submissions and ensure they meet the eligibility requirements and adhere to the guidelines set by the region office. Some criteria have incomplete or ineligible documents. Therefore, the regional committee has decided that entries with incomplete or ineligible documents will be recognized as a regional qualifier, regional finalist, and exemplary service. So here's the category of awards. We have the champion, first placer, second placer, third placer, regional qualifier, regional finalist, exemplary awards, and then special awards given to all the awardees. And before I end my presentation, I want to grab this opportunity. I sincerely congratulate you all from the bottom of my heart. I am incredibly proud of you, what you have achieved today, and especially considering our ongoing challenges with ensuring funding of our programs. Despite this, we have chosen to be resilient, creative, and driven in advancing or developing and promoting the YMD advocacy para sa kabataang Bangsamoro. Pagpalain ka, Bangsamoro, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. That was our regional YC coordinator, Ma'am Elisa Bantuas. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for lighting us with the mechanics of Dawan Parangal 2024.